Milan channel. This is my daughter, Aiyla Grace, and today we are going to be tackling her gorgeous, large hair, right?
Yeah, and here's baby Emma.
Baby Emma's in the mix too, guys. So if you guys didn't know, I am Portuguese and Italian, and this little one here is Italian, German, and African American, and Puerto Rican. This girl has a huge mix in her, so today we are going to be doing her beautiful hair.
With some babies and some mommies and some daughters.
Yeah! Woo! So, stay tuned and watch how I do her beautiful hair. So the first thing I do is just put a towel around my baby girl because let's face it, we have to make sure that her hair is fully covered.
Yeah, and the baby gotta go to sleep with the towel.
That's right. So we cover her so she doesn't get her cute little outfit all dirty. And here we go. Let's jump right into it.
You gotta take the towel off.
So guys, we have to tackle her gorgeous locks. So this is how I do it. I literally just take her.
Mom, maybe fix the baby's blanket.
Okay. Whatever you do, moms, make sure that you have something that can occupy them. So she wants to play with her babies. Sometimes I just give her my phone so she can just go ahead and play on it. But today she has her baby doll Emma, who's wearing twins outfits. They're wearing twin dresses, guys. Oh, okay. Now let's sit down, girlfriend.
Mom, I want to put the baby with her blanket.
Okay, look, how about this? How about you put your blanket right here? When I do her hair, I always put something around her. That way it doesn't get her clothes all wet. And I use a detangler. This is pretty amazing. I found it at Whole Foods, but you can get it on Amazon as well. I think it's like about $12, but it's a detangler and it's a curl. I like to get it really wet because the wetter the curls are, they're gonna stick together. So make sure your curls are very, very, very wet. Then we're gonna use jojoba oil. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Jojoba oil? Jojoba oil?
Yeah.
That's what it is. Okay. So it's right here. And I'm basically, whoops. My bad. Basically, this is, so it hydrates the hair. I like to try to get it closer to the scalp.
Hey, Mama.
Try not to get it on your clothes or her clothes because it is oil. So this one came in a glass container, so I highly recommend you get plastic. That way you can just squeeze it out.
And it got some leaves in.
So what I do is I put a bay leaf inside the jojoba oil and a couple of drops of rosemary oil. This is gonna help the baby's hair really good. I'll link that in the description down below. So she likes a soft brush. So I know that this is not good for her hair, but just to give her some calm reassurance that I'm not gonna pull her hair, I'm gonna use it just to basically even out her hair. Brushed out all of the like exterior knots. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna hold the ponytail as tight as possible so I don't hurt her. Keep that on you, okay, mommy? Can you hold this really tight? Can you hold it super tight?
Yeah.
Okay, so just so I make sure I don't hurt her, I use a paddle brush and I start at the very, very bottom.
Baby.
Mommy, let's turn your body so they can see. So I start at the very back. I hold it really tight and I just do little tiny brushes. So her bottom is done. I'm just gonna reposition my hand so it doesn't rip her hair out, and hold it as tight as I can right here, not too close. And I'm gonna go in again.
Look, guys.
You wanna start from the bottom and work your way up.
Love you guys. Miss you.
Love you guys. Oh, you're so sweet, Aiyla. I break it into 2 sections. This makes it a little easier to manage. So I sectioned it into 2 different pieces, and now I'm just going to again go in with this soft brush because it's her favorite brush. So I find it like whenever they have a favorite brush, you need to just find it and use it, guys. So this is her favorite brush. So it's softer. Usually it's the softer brush.
And
so,
mommy likes the harder brush.
I like the harder brush. I like the brush that gets out the tangles. And then I go in with my paddle brush, which I find is really good for defining the curls. So again, I'm just holding. Remember, the wetter the curl, the better it holds. So you wanna wet and you wanna clump the curls together. So now that we have it all brushed together, I'm going to just take it back, and I mean, guys, it is hard to do a toddler's hair. I'm just gonna put it back into this one little ponytail, and I'm gonna make sure that all those knots are out.
A princess always got her hair down.
Oh, really? A princess? So do you want your hair down today?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're just gonna do a natural hair down look. Make sure that the front has like a cute little clip or a bow or something that makes it look really, really cute. Right, Aiyla? So we're gonna put this little clip right in her hair. Now that we've brushed out her hair, the next thing we have to do is just smooth all the edges to make sure that they're nice and laid. Basically, I just did a little part right here, and I think it looks so cute in her. You guys know I am such a fan of hair in front of the face, but I'm not gonna do that for her here. I'm going to just save her frustration as a little child and take it out of her hair. Take it out of her face. I mean, ready?
Yeah, because sometimes mom gotta take my face out. How about we do 2 bows on this side?
You want to do another bow?
Yeah, on this side. No, it's gonna be a bow Easter bunny on my head.
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. So I think little girls love bows. They love like little cute hair things.
1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys!
So thank you for watching. We hope you love it. Her hair is dry now. Show me your gorgeous hair, girl. Let's turn. Let's turn.
Yay!
Woo! It's all dry and fluffy and bouncy. And we put 2 bows, not 1, but 2! Yay!
Yeah.
So say thank you for watching.
And that is 2!
That's right, that is 2. How old are you, Aiyla?
3!
That's right, you're 3. Good job. So what do we say? Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned and like, subscribe, and bye! Thanks so much, guys. We love you.
Yeah.